Hey guys, if you're traveling, you need to put this into airplane mode. Tap on your Xbox button. Second option, scroll down. Now as you scroll down, you will see airplane mode right here. So that's your airplane mode. All you guys have to do, press A on it. Now it's on. And there we go. That's how you guys can turn on airplane mode. Now to turn it off, same deal. You will have to go there and turn it off. And that's all. Now right now it's gonna reconnect to whatever Wi-Fi network. And we're all done. Anyways, that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.